Walang kayo sa kanya eh. That's why he gets away with it.
Kaya nga
You
kailangan
you have to take a stand. Nasisira tayo rito all because of him.
Hindi, walang right.
Diba?
Mga taong walang
Tama o mali. Diba? My goodness, food.
Kayahan tayo.
Oh my gosh, food. At saka,
Hindi kasi sila yung birthday ng kaibigan niya.
at saka, mami naman, no?
Kawawa naman si Alvin, birthday na
Birthday ko.
Wait, actually, hindi ko alam na ganun pala ang nangyari. Ngayon ko lang nabasa.
Ka naman plastic is really your best friend.
No, attorney, you cannot label me like that. Relax. Because I'm trying to explain right now.
Ako kasi yung binalastin.
Kaya nga, I didn't know. Kung hindi siya sumigaw, hindi ko malaman.
Pero tinasabi ko kasi, huwag ka nang magpapaka-plastic.
Why would you say that I'm plastic?
Tell us, do you think what he's doing is correct or not?
I'm trying to talk to him kasi nga, this is not good kasi hindi naman pala humba. Give me a chance to talk to him. Kaya nga, hindi pala humba. Let me talk to him privately.
There's right and there's wrong. And I'm
You cannot intimidate me with shouting like that.
No, I'm not intimidating.
I can make a stance without shouting.
Well, okay.
So don't intimidate me. Because I'm not intimidated by you. That's why I'm trying to fix.
Why you think I care if you're intimidated by me?
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm shouting too.
Just telling you.
It's his birthday, so please stop.
But I was the one blasphemed.
I know, but
Don't
please
tell me to stop.
Please.
I was the one blasphemed. I was the one. Mag-please ka na mag-please. Ako binastos.
Stop.
Mami, magkano yung humba na yan? I'll take 10 times that
No,
amount.
you're my son. You can take as long
Oh my
as you want.
God, oh my God, oh my God. What the?
And you know what?
Condemn.
Attorney, wait.
Attorney.
This is this put that not to Aldo.
Attorney, I think you have the issue with Aldo, not with Alvin. It's Aldo's with you.
Wait. Kasi gusto ni attorney na I need to take a stance ganito.
Yeah, but-
So I'm trying to contact Aldo to delete it or whatnot para matapos.
Bakit hindi nabas ko nito? Napaplastikan kasi tayo eh.
No, I don't think so.
Napaplastikan tayo eh. Pero it's a matter of right or wrong. I'm telling you. Take a stand on what is right and what is wrong.
Wait, why do we need to always broadcast this the whole Philippines? When we can deal with this silently.
No, we can
Ay, because no, that's why hindi ko alam. Hindi.
Yung ang daming tao marami.
Kayang attorney, we're trying to fix it nga, di ba? Can you remove your...
Pagbigyan natin si Alvin.
I'm sorry for the birthday, pero it's really,
Kasi,
yun na eh. It's right or wrong, at saka ikaw naman, Geraldine. Pag may nabiktima, hayaan mo magsalita yung biktima.
correct.
Sir, ang ibig
Kasi pag pinigil mo yung biktima magsalita, you're condoning ano.
my apologies, sir. And I say please stop. Kasi
Ano na eh? Happy lang tayo eh.
Pwede naman sana natin to usapan ng normal tayo. Hindi, wait lang.
Hindi yan.
Kailangan din natin idaan kung baga
Wala na.
kamay na bakal kasi ilang beses ako nakiusap kay Aldo nang maayos
Why do we need to do grandstanding when there's so many people here?
para malaman ni Aldo.
You should have
Anong
just called
ginagawa niya?
Aldo.
Kasi ayaw niya mag-stop eh. Ayaw niya mag-stop.
Nag-mention ba si Aldo ng name? Nag-mention si Aldo ng name? Nag-mention ba siya ng name?
Kalimutan.
Wala naman siguro. Wala naman. This is a cup. My goodness.
Bago yun.
May mukha ba? May mukha po ba ninyo, attorney? Meron na.
Meron, mukha nga ni attorney mo ka na to.
Bordeles, share na yan. Bordeles yan.
Kaya nga eh. We share kasi with
Mag-share
label.
siya.
We share niya with
Somebody
label.
posted. Ang grupo eh. Somebody reposted. Attorney, reposted po siya.
Reposted na okay, pero may caption siyang sarili.
Tama o mali?
Buti na dito sa inyo. Tapos
It's an issue of right or wrong. Tama ba yan o mali?
Sinaglan si
Hindi,
Alvin.
usapang diretsa na kasi alam mo, if you like to continue as a community, dapat tapat tayo.
Sa buti na lang nag-enjoy sa bumpa.
Dapat tapat, wala na yung ganyan-ganyan.
Treatment towards
Kaya sa ngayon,
Alvin.
alam na ng mga tao yung kagagawa ng kagaguhan. Respeto din naman.
Kasi food eh. On a birthday.
Ano, supportan ba talaga siya o ano?
Food on a birthday. Bakit ganyan?
Relax lang. Mali talaga yun.
For one, actually mali.
Mali, yes po. Huwag na tayo mag-ano.
Mali man talaga siya.
Mali talaga. Pero hindi na sana tayo nag-away-away.
And also, you know, wait lang, attorney. I'm sorry that I raised my voice on, you know. I know that
The first time na nagkakainkwento tayo, alam mo naman na paulit-ulit.
yeah, because not directly, sa atin naman to. Wait lang, ma'am, kasi hindi man ikaw ang naano. Bakit ikaw mag-ano-ano dyan? Wait lang, kasi we're trying to fix siya ang naano. We're trying, wag ka magsigaw. Okay, wait. I'm sorry na tumaas yung ano ko, boses ko sa'yo because hindi ko naman talaga alam. Ngayon ko na nalaman na pagsigaw ni ate. Kasi ang sa amin lang naman, celebrate tayo dito, nagkaisa-isa tayo dito, ganyan. Because
When you're still broadcasting,
sa akin, para malaman, sigawan na nga tayo.
maintindihan why you need to broadcast.
Kanina pa lang to, attorney. Kaya ko ngayon, wait lang.
Since we're being
Kasi,
broadcasted,
oo.
ha? Si Aldo is your closest friend, correct?
I only know him here, but I consider him a friend.
Yes,
Okay.
That is why I am telling you, you need to take a stand for what is right and what is wrong.
Okay.
Hindi po pwede na kung ano-anong ginagawa niya, you keep quiet.
Okay.
As if, at saka diretsahan na, alam ko rin, at ay back, nagtatawanan kayong dalawa.
Okay.
Di ba? Alam ko yan, wala na tayong ligoy-ligoy pa.
Sige,
I've
tapos?
even seen videos of it. So, ang sa akin lang, para maging tapat ang relasyon, magpakatotoo tayo.
Tapos iwasan nyo nakikipag-away sa mga walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay. Kasi, kahit maliliit lang yan, kung paulit-ulit, nakakapagod na din. Diba? Kaya minsan nagugulat ka, hindi naman malala yung pinag-awayan yung huli, pero yun pang naging dahilan ng paghihiwalay nyo kasi nga napagod na sa dami. Mamili na lang din kayo kung ano ba talaga yung worth na pag-awayan, pag-diskusyonan at pag-aksayahan ng panahon. Kasi minsan lalo na kung nasa relationship ka, tapos pagod ka sa trabaho, yung wala ka kwenta-kwentang bagay, kailangan mo pang i-explain at i-defend. Diba? Kaya minsan, nakakapagod. Oo, iwasan yung pakikipag-away tungkol sa mga walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay kasi nakakapagod yan.